Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix black screen on Facebook video. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. First of all, what you have to do is refresh the website and re-log in on Facebook. To re-log in on Facebook, you have to log out first. So let's just go to a web browser. I'm using Chrome, and here let's go to facebook.com. Okay, facebook.com. Now this will redirect you to the Facebook page. As you can see, I am already logged out. So in order to log out, simply go to the top right corner of your screen, and there below the messenger icon there is a profile icon. Simply tap on it and scroll down at the last, and there you can see a logout option. Simply tap on the logout option that will be shown in a red letter and you will be logged out. Now as you can see, it is already logged out. Now what you have to do again is open incognito tab window. So in order to open incognito mode, simply tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of the screen, and as you can see there is a second option called new incognito tab. Simply tap on new incognito tab. Now what you have to do is simply search for facebook.com. Go to facebook.com and open it in incognito mode. Now what you have to do is simply sign in to your Facebook using your email address or your phone number and your password. After all is done, simply go to home. You can simply go back by tapping on this tab icon at the top right corner there, which is number 1, right? Which is number 1, and at the left of this sunglasses icon there is another number. Here it is 11. So simply tap on this. It will take you to your original windows. That means not in your incognito mode. Now what you have to do is simply clear the cookies. In order to clear the cookies, simply go to any page, go to any window of your Google Chrome. Then at the top right corner, simply tap on the three dot icon, and now what you have to do is simply tap on history, right? And now tap on clear browsing data, and what you have to keep in mind is to tick this cookies and site data. Keep it ticked on and put the time range to up to all time. Because you can change it from this arrow button. Put it on all time, and now simply tap on clear data at the bottom right corner. Now you can simply tap on clear, and your cookies and your histories will be removed. All you have to do now is go to the incognito mode again. It is in this sunglass icon, and now open the tab, and now again go to facebook.com, right? Sorry, it's already here. So let's go to facebook.com and sign into your account, and all the problem you're facing will be fixed. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.